pinasa po ng Diocese of San Carlos, Negros Island Region. Nakatutuyan, Vice Chairman ng Episcopal Commission on Social Action, Justice and Peace, and Vice President of Caritas Philippines. Teachers, yung mga tagalong teachers po dyan, kaway-kaway!
Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Tama na. Sobra na. Ikulo na. Ako po si Bishop Colin Bagaboro ng Diocese of Inapawan at ang Presidente ng Caritas Philippines at Head Convenor ng Church Leaders Council for National Transformation. Ipaglaban ang karapatan!
Ngayon po, ating papakinggan ang President Catholic Bishops Conference of the Philippines, ang sarili nating Cardinal Pablo Virgilio Cardinal David.
Pasensya na po at